Welcome to another video. This time I'll be doing iPhone 8 LCD replacement. The first thing you do is, as usual, open the bottom two screws. Second step is you just don't go more than that, because use the cable, you don't want to break it. Even if you do, since it does, it will just break the screen, nothing else. But the screen is broken, we don't have to worry about anything. But you have to worry about this cable, which is the earpiece speaker. So you don't want to go higher than that. And that's it. Once you're done, open it like book, not all the way not more open than this. But now you get your regular screw, Phillips screw, and open these four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then open 3 over here. Oopsie. If you ever lose a screw, don't worry about it. You'll find it afterwards. It's not a big deal. Now unplug this too. Unplug the battery. Usually unplug the battery the first thing you do. Now let's see. Connect. Six screws, top right, top 3, bottom 3. Once it's open this much, then you just go ahead and one of the most important thing is the home button. So what you do is you find something very thin and you go underneath this. Once you're in there a little bit, so if you mess up the home button, the fingerprint will not work. So we're done. You took out the most important part. Now the new screen, there we go. So it looks like it already have a metal plate. What we do is we remove this plastic, insert the button, then let it go. Come over here and press this up a little bit. This will go. Now you can just connect it. So if you have to move the bottom part right, left, so it can connect, yeah, you can do it. Now put this on there. As far as this, you don't have to worry about all the screws. Even if you put 1 or 2 screws, connect. But the main screw you need is on top of the home button. 1, 2. As long as you have 2, it'll be good. But let's put the rest of the screws. Now remove the plastic. This part. Pay attention, everyone. So what you do is, first you put this 2 in the holes. One of them in the hole, and the other connector. Now, besides that, now we just bend it, because you see it wants to bend already. Just bend it. It's supposed to go where it's supposed to go. Just kind of play around a little bit. Move it right, left, right, until it feels like it's fitted in where it's supposed to. Now you take this, the gold part matches the gold in the bottom, get on top of that and put this on there. Now the metal part, however you take it out, just put it back the same way. Remember, write it down or rewind the video. Now there's 6 screws, 3 top and 3 bottom. We'll start with 3 top. That's it, done. Last but not least, connect this and connect the second one. Well, just remove the battery connector out of the way. Those 2 are connected. Now we leave this on the ground or hold it up. Let's connect the third thing. So as you can see, the shape, it is going like this. It doesn't go the other way. I mean, there are times I've put it upside down, but this is how it goes. Now let's connect the battery. And that's it. The rest of it you don't have to watch if you don't want to watch, but basically wherever you take a screw from, you just put it back there. That's it. As simple as it can get. Sometimes it gets frustrating to you guys probably when the screw doesn't go there, but it's okay. Take it out, put it back. The middle is a big screw. The bottom is another big screw. No, the bottom, sorry. The end. And now let's put this. So there's no way you can make a mistake with a screw because the bigger screw will not fit the little ones. And we're done. Now let's close it. When you're closing it, just be gentle with it. Connect the bottom first. Come from both sides. Just don't overdo it. Press the power button and see if it works. Okay, now it's working. We're good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom 2 screws, and we'll test the touch. Then after that, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Video quality will get better over time once I have a little bit more subscribers, so I can apply more effort and time into this. So it took about 10 minutes.